Hello guys, welcome to Winnie Styles. Short haircut for beautiful black women, especially the older ones over 50, should look contemporary just to take years off your age. And today's haircut, you can see, features the Pixie, it features the bob haircut and some side bangs on the rest, and is a cut that will prove that customization can really completely alter the look of your two haircuts. So one thing about today's haircut is that they are fashionable. So when you say fashionable, like fashionable hair is no longer just for the young. So whatever your age, it's time to really experiment and go as wild as you like with your short natural haircut. So you can see how you leave yourself down at the door and step your style up a notch with this beautiful short natural haircut on the screen. One thing about short natural cut is that very short natural haircut is for everyone. So if you prefer a longer hair over short styles, just keep your cut on the lengthier side, with some chic pixie bows. Sometimes you can use some beautiful colors. We have colors like the platinum, we have colors like the gray, even the ash or the blonde. These different colors, will help to illuminate your face and prove to be that a low maintenance style will really cover your natural gray hair or even make it look purposeful. But I would advise that sometimes just flaunt those gray hair and look so sexy with it. There's something timeless about short natural haircut, because short natural haircut will always blend those classy look of some bob with an edgy pixie cut, and we know that the end result is really incredibly chic. So just try investing in some beautiful creams or coil cream that will really make your styling time very short, and it will give your hair that smooth texture and the fine curls every woman wants. So today's hairstyle is a style that you really need to watch to the end, because you can style the hair in different ways and it will always make you look so stylish and really give you that beautiful look you want. So for the modern beautiful women that want haircut that deliver just that perfect style for ladies of all ages, please make sure you watch this video to the end, because we have carefully selected some beautifully, effortlessly chic, age-defying and simple short natural haircut for black women. Let me get this over the rest of the styles. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.